Whenever you see these two hot hotties, you know it's Memorial Day weekend. Let's go. Check it out.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and that's right, we're down here for Memorial Day weekend, Memorial Day, and look how packed the beach is. Boy, you know it's summer whenever you see the beach like this, and we're so excited. We can't wait to see you too. Let's show you what's going on the beach today. Look at that. So today's temperature is
Right now, I think it's 83 degrees.
and sunny. And if you can remember last year, it was cold and rainy. Do you remember that?
It sure was.
Yes.
So we'll take a little walk right here and show you what the beach looks like on Memorial Day weekend.
That's right.
There's kids out playing. There's people flying kites. Let's get a little bit closer to the water here.
And our water, like people like to say, is a little bit
Is it still chilly?
chilly. And
Yeah, it's a little bit chilly.
we don't have that beautiful aqua color like we did last summer, if you remember.
Right.
But hey, it may be coming in.
It depends on how much storms are out there.
And just to give you an update on what's going on around the area, there is a Memorial Day Surfside parade that goes on every year. So if you do happen to get down here, you might want to, take some interest in that. And they're always having something exciting down in Murrells Inlet for Memorial Day as well. I can't even talk.
This is basically South Myrtle Beach. And if you look at the buildings right there, there is Myrtle Beach.
That's right. And we have golf cart access where we don't have to fight the traffic. So that's a good thing if you're going to stay in any of Ocean Lakes, Lakewood, and Pirate you can pull right on up, unload your beach stuff, and party all day long. Myrtle Beach Resort, which is in the far distance right down there, right beside Ocean Lakes. And that's just as fun. They also have the quarter deck where they'll have live music and karaoke at night.
That's right. Now I see these, what are these devices called here? That hold, they're one pole, almost like a tent thing right there. See that?
Yes. I can't remember this year, but we have.
But these are kind of new too. You see that?
Yes. And I'm not sure
I don't know the
code.
the legal codes, nowadays, because things are changing and new inventions. But I thought it was just one pole could hold it in the ground.
At Shaboomy. And I know those are allowed in Surfside Beach.
Are they?
Yes.
And you can get them out of North Carolina.
Yes.
I heard.
He said you can get them out of North Carolina. So there you go.
All right, so let's get in the water a little bit.
All right. Look at there. Show them the water, what it looks like, Beatbox. Let's see. You can see my foot from here.
Down in here. Huh. I see shark's teeth all up in this water. I'm about to get, look.
I know. I thought I saw a big one.
Mm-hmm. So people are playing, splashing, just like a good old Memorial Day weekend.
That's right. And if you're not sure what to bring down here, we do have a video on the top 20 items, what to bring whenever you come to the beach.
We need to do a new one because I remembered some new things to add.
Okay.
So we'll do a new one sometime soon.
And just remember, there's no smoking and no glass bottles on Myrtle Beach areas.
In the Myrtle Beach area?
Yes. Beatbox was questioning me about the Myrtle Beach, but I know definitely in Surfside Beach you cannot smoke. But there are no glass bottles or glass containers allowed anywhere on any of the beaches, Georgetown, Horry County, or Myrtle Beach.
Oh, wow.
You gotta look out for those
Cans only,
places.
right?
That's right.
Cans and plastic.
That's right. Make sure you get down here early because, as you can see, the beaches fill up fast. People come down here and they start putting their stuff out as early as 6 o'clock in the morning.
And if you look down this way, let's see if I can zoom in. That is the brand new Surfside Beach Pier. It just opened. Somebody's got a whistle.
Somebody knows how to whistle. They just learn how to whistle. Maybe it's not a bad idea to have one of those. Oh, look. Sweet pea. Let's walk about this way. All right, and this is one of the best activities I think to do Memorial Day weekend. Is just come out here and have a good time on the beach. Beatbox. Don't you think so, Beatbox?
I do.
There's nothing that screams summer more than Memorial Day weekend. And they also have a lot of the cornhole tournaments going on. They have a bunch of festivities going on for Memorial Day weekend in Myrtle Beach. And they also have some umbrella rentals and chair rentals if you happen to leave those at home. You'll have to check the prices, but I think you can go online and look at it. Those are put out by the lifeguards.
And certain areas of Myrtle Beach are different than other areas. Some golf carts are gas powered where other golf carts have to be totally electric. So you got to take that in consideration if you're coming out here to Myrtle Beach in a area or campground or at a hotel.
Now, if you ever are traveling on the beach at night, make sure you do check the tides because you will find swash areas with low and high tide. Sometimes you can't cross areas.
At high tide.
That's correct.
But at this time, low tide, we can cross. As you can see, Bunny Bee crossing. That sharks too?
Oh, no.
No.
Uh-oh. I don't ever find them.
Aww.
Oh,
now here's
man.
another game. Look.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's picking it up. They're through playing.
Definitely don't forget your games because a lot of people like to sit out here for hours upon hours, and I'm not one who can just sit. So if I see you out here or you see us, come ask me to play with you. You can get them to bounce it.
Good try, good try. People are surfing. We got pink surfboard out there. Look at that. I'd take a pink board, wouldn't you? That's your favorite color, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Alrighty, and so if you found this video very helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button because it's free. Alrighty, well, that's all for today. Hope to see you down here. Can't wait. It's the big kickoff to the summer 2024. All right, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, look at this little cutie right here. I'm with Jake Williams. And Jake Williams, what is your favorite thing to do whenever you come to the beach?
Drink.
Hey!
Shout out DW Williams Electric.
That is my son. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good time. Just to give you a little shout out to Beat Bites, he also dressed up in his red, white, and blue.
What'd you find? Anything?
No. And you also know it's Memorial Day whenever you see Bob Cobb. Look at that.
Where's South Carolina?
See there?
I'm gonna come here every day.
Hey, you know it's Memorial Day. Oh Lord. Memorial.